Hi, so what are your names?
My name is Hitanshi.
And my name is Apurva.
Hitanshi and Apurva, where are you from?
I am from Barnala, Punjab.
And I'm from Nangal, Punjab.
Okay, so we have people from very far today. So how did the paper go?
It went well actually, but the GK section was actually challenging. The logical and English was doable. So we can say moderate.
Exactly. Plus the English portion was quietly a little lengthy.
Yeah.
So I got to manage the time. Yeah.
Yeah, so which skill, which soft skill do you think was the most helpful during?
Analytical could actually help. Syllogisms, coding, decoding. They were in huge number in the logical section. So the student who has actually practiced those section, it's a plus point for them.
Yeah, as we also believe practice is the key to any
Practice is
exam,
certainly
right?
the key to any exam. Correct.
And out of CLAT and ALET,
A-lit. A-lit, it's A-lit.
Yeah.
Definitely A-lit.
right. And what do you think that like if time were managed better, so would you have could have done better in this exam?
I would have no, I could not have done better because I was just struggling with GK, and GK is about knowing. If you don't know the questions, you can't do it. तो तुक्का मारने का तो कोई फायदा नहीं है उसमें.
Yeah, exactly. GK and even logical was okay. Logical was pretty fine and convenient. Yeah, that was it. And English was pretty lengthy again.
Okay, English was and in CLAT, do you think मतलब time अगर easily manage हो जाता तो CLAT का paper would have been better?
Yeah. क्लैट मैनेजेबल था अगर टाइम फ्रेम
Clat was actually easy. But उसपे 2-3 questions थे जो थोड़े से mess up हो गए and we weren't expecting them. So like
लॉजिकल का
topics
सेक्शन
like
वाज प्रीटी मेस्ड अप इन क्लैट एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग जो उन्होंने डाल दी ना एंड दे कंप्लीटली इग्नोर्ड द लॉजिकल पार्ट दे जस्ट put analytical into the whole section, and that was a major challenge, and things went south when children started attempting those.
Yeah, we understand. We understand the apprehensions, but let's hope for the best,
Yes,
right?
let's
And
hope
all
for
the
the
best for your future. Thank you so much, both of you girls. Okay.